Alright, for this last part, we're going to throw some simple materials on our mouse. Select the base of the mouse and go to the Material Properties tab. Hit New to add a new material. Up in the viewport display, you can go to Preview mode. Set Metallic to 1, crank the roughness down a bit, and change the color to gray. Now, select the top of the mouse, hit New Material, and crank down the roughness to give it a glossy finish. Do the same thing for the pads. Hit New Material, change the color to black, and give it some roughness. Now, let's add some more detail to the metal base. Bring out a new window, and in your editor type, go to Shader Editor. Hit Shift A and search for Noise Texture, then connect the factor to the normal. Hit Shift A again and add a bump node, then place the bump in between the noise and the normal. Make sure the factor is going into the height. Now, press Ctrl T to add a texture coordinate node. Adjust the scale to something finer. 200 looks good. Go to Strength and pull it back so the texture is more subtle. And there we have it, a finished Apple mouse. I hope everyone enjoyed this tutorial, and we hope to see you in the next one.